I seek refuge of the Allah from Satan rejected. In the name of Allah, the most beneficial and the most merciful. The topic of my speech is 28 May Youm-e Takbir. Dear sir, respectable audience and respectable teachers, 28 May 1998 become the Youm-e Takbir of Pakistan in the commemoration of successful test on a nuclear bomb. On this day, Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission introduced with surprising news about Pakistan because the first nuclear power country in Muslim and 7th nuclear power country in universe. It was really an emeritual invention of Muslim scientists with the collaboration of CEA and PAEC. Before becoming the nuclear power, the critics of Islam and Pakistan were demolish it. There is no doubt, and the world history is a witness that Pakistan did not have any power who is against Islam and Allah, while the massive and powerful invention Pakistan get totally out of dangers and intimidating and haters. This is the reason the government of Pakistan give the name on this day is Youm-e Takbir of Pakistan. So in 28 May Youm-e Takbir speech, first of all I would like to take a flashback on the history of Youm-e Takbir background. It is really good. Dr. Ghazali Khan was the most nominated person who gave his effort, skills and the final event of nuclear plant in Pakistan. In 1980 he started working on nuclear bomb. Since that time till for date, we are atomic power and the world is a fearful to see as all and black eye. Yes, of course, it is a great news. It is a great news other scientists and great invention of our scientists. Thanks to God and thanks those scientists who live in their life and time and great invention of Pakistan. Thanks a lot.